Hi there, I'm Arigato-san, an artist and comic creator, and I'm happy to welcome you to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about one of my characters for a new webtoon story, and I will share how I came up with their character, design, backstory and personality. The inspiration for this character actually came from when I was working as a barista at the bakery, and I loved it so much that I wanted to capture the feelings, the space, the smell of fresh bread in the morning. And so, without even realizing, the image of this bakery barista guy popped into my head. So yeah, my personal experience and emotions became the base for this story. Yeah. I haven't given him an official name, so I will just call him Cinnabon for now. Actually, I call him Cinnabon every time. Pretty chill guy who loves baking and plans to open his own bakery someday. And he is saving money and gaining experience working in other bakery shops. His sweet personality and cute looks help him get along with almost everywhere. Actually, because he's so cute, he was super popular back in school, even with the guys. Yeah. And now he still has a lot of regular customers because of that. Since his image came to me right away, I sketched him out pretty quick on the scrap of paper. Later I played around with his facial expressions, maybe tweaking a few features and figuring out his body type. and he's got a good looking figure, so I enjoy drawing him shirtless. Lol. Yeah, oh my gosh. I also added a beauty mark on his right cheek to make him more attractive. More attractive. We need more attractive. Yeah. Yeah. At work he wears an apron and shirt. And the deep neckline showing off his collarbones and his a little bit chest. Plus he wearing earrings. I try not to overload his design with too many details, even though I'm tempted. I want to keep it simple and clean because complex design in a comic can be really tough. I'm just not ready for that yet. Not today, no way. What I can say in conclusion? I just can say that creating and developing characters is such an exciting process, especially when you're building a special world and a special story around them. And it's so cool, it's amazing. And of course, I'm not a writer at all, I'm like an artist and ideas creator, but writing story in detail, it's a bit difficult for me, and I also struggling with the plot or character's personality, but I've got an amazing friend who specializes in writing, and she gives me good advices every time. In my next video I will tell you about another one, main character, and I also will show his designing, and yeah, it's a BL story, boys love. Oh my gosh. Thank you for watching and see you next time.